Let me show you how to stake a newly planted tree so that it doesn't blow over. Now it's time to stake it, and we're going to be using this TMO Pro system. Now the reason I like this system a lot as opposed to putting stakes in the ground and running guy wires to the tree is it's just a lot cleaner looking, so we use one T-post and one arm instead of having 3 stakes and 3 guy wires. The T-post is what's going to give this resistance, and here where we live in North Texas, the main prevailing wind that we get is either out of the south or out of the north. So I really like putting the T-post on the north side of the tree. That way when the south wind blows, it's pushing directly against that T-post and makes it stronger. So we're going to take the bumpy side of the T-post and put it towards the tree and go just outside of the root ball where we have firm ground. Get it nice and straight. Now that we got it buried deep, take that off, take our rubber band off of here, and we're going to pop out these little rivets. Don't lose those. Open this up, take your rubber band all the way off, and then this is going to fit right onto the T-post. You want to go up as high as you can because that's going to give it better resistance against the wind. Okay, so that's on there. Now we're going to take this and go around the tree and attach that like that. Get our holes lined up and pop those rivets back in. I guess they're clips more so than rivets, but whatever. Rubber band's going to go here around the trunk once or twice and then back onto a hook. Now what's cool about this system is that it allows the tree to have some play and movement. It doesn't keep it super tight, like really tight guy wires, and that will allow this trunk to flex and strengthen itself over time. And also, if you do forget to take this off, the tree will break out of this and not allow itself to girdle like it would with a wire. So there we have it, a properly staked tree. This thing is going to be able to withstand the crazy winds that we get here in North Texas and be just fine. It's a really nice, clean look too.